Hello everyone and welcome back to Dr. Shorov's classes. Today we are diving into a unique Spanish language examination, the CELU. If you dream of studying, working or living in Argentina or other Spanish speaking countries, then the CELU is your golden key. In this video, I'll guide you through what CELU is, its structure, eligibility, recognition, and of course, how our coaching can help you crack it confidently. The CELU is an official Spanish proficiency test recognized by the Argentina Ministry of Education and Ministry of Foreign Affairs. It's accepted by the universities, companies, and the government institutions across Argentina and Latin America. Unlike other tests that rank you on the multiple levels, CELU certifies your functional use of Spanish in real life context. That means it's not about memorizing the grammar rules. It's about showing how well you can communicate in Spanish for study, work, or everyday situations. Now, the CELU examination has two main sections, written and oral. The written section includes reading comprehension, writing short text, and responding to workplace or academic scenarios like writing the mails, reports, and the summaries. And the oral section involves a conversation with two examiners where you express your options, describe the images, and respond naturally, just like a real conversation. Now, you can take the CELU at three proficiency levels: intermediate, advanced, and superior. The total duration is about 3 hours and it's held in twice in a year, in June and November, and in Argentina and the selected international centers. The results classify you into two main categories, intermediate and advanced, depending on your fluency and accuracy. The CELU is officially recognized by the universities across Argentina and it's accepted by the international companies that value the bilingual professionals. Now, at Dr. Shorov's classes, we help students prepare for the CELU with a skill-based communication approach. Our course includes intensive Spanish grammar and vocabulary sessions, real conversation drills to boost the speaking confidence, listening exercises using the native Argentine accents, and easy and mail writing practice, full-length CELU mock examinations, and feedback sessions for focusing on the fluency and pronunciation. So, if you are planning to study architecture, design, or engineering in Argentina, or just want to master Spanish with the authentic accent, then the CELU examination is your best route. Join Dr. Shorov's classes today and prepare smartly with us.